phone, you cuckoo. It sounds like a door creaking open.
Look at her eyes, they're closed.
Concentrating.
She's never done this before. Okay, I'm gonna get her feet off the ground.